front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or a video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now use this plus at the bottom left corner, and firstly to add an audio file, select Files. Now you need to find it by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources, selecting one of those apps, or hitting audio at the top. Either way, after locating your file, just click on it to attach it. If you want to add a video on, select gallery icon instead. Look for your video here and click on it to add it. Or if you can't find it, select photos. Look for it here and click on it as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!